Okay, so I'm at the Leeward homepage, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate how to implement prereqs that require 2 courses to be passed with a grade of C or better, or consent of the instructor. And this is actually our ICS 281 course that has these prerequisites on it. So I'm going to log into KSCM, and I'm going to demonstrate this, I'm going to just do a new course proposal. So I'm going to click on New. And then I'm going to use our little shortcuts over here and jump to the requisite information. And then to start implementing this, I need to click on Add Rules. So I'm going to click on Add Rules, and this gives us our first option here. And what I need to do is we're going to implement this, and it requires 2 courses. It requires ICS 170 and ICS 171 to be completed with the grade of C or better. So I'm going to click on the drop-down menu and select Earned. And then we're going to say a minimum grade in from the next drop-down menu that gets displayed. And then from this one, we're going to say all selected courses. And then we're going to select, then you can see here it gives us the option of earned a minimum grade of, and then we got to select our grade type. And so we're going to use our standard letter grade, A through F. And it gives us the option now to select that letter grade that we want. So we're going to say C. And now we get to type in our courses. So we click in this box, and I'm going to start typing in ICS 170. And you can see it's limited to the 2 courses. I like to put them in numerical order because it's just easier for viewing as well. So, and then I can click back in it. And because I only typed in ICS 17, it gives me both options of the courses, makes it a little easier. So here I have the courses. Now I need to implement the or consent of instructor. And to do that, I need to click on this plus button, which is going to add a rule. You can see I hover over it and it tells us add a rule. So I'm going to click that, and now we get box B. And this one we're going to use freeform text. And I'm just going to type in the text box that's displayed, consent of instructor. And now we have up here where it says complete all of the following. So if we don't change this, they would have to earn a minimum grade of a C in ICS 170 and ICS 171 and get consent of the instructor. We don't want that, so we're going to change this to say complete one of the following, where they're going to have to complete either A or B. So I'll show you what this looks like when we leave edit mode. So I'm going to click leave edit mode, jump down to our requisite information, and so you can see it says complete one of the following, and that's either earned a minimum grade of C in each of the following, ICS 170, ICS 171, or consent of instructor. And so that's how you would be able to go and implement prerequisite of 2 courses and have the ability to provide consent of instructor to take this course to override the prerequisites.